test here. Gonna do a video on my phone because I don't have a camera to do one outside. I've been using my laptop. I need to get a camera. So anyway, there's my bug out pontoon boat, my bug out car, and there's my bug out truck. So you're gonna say, yeah, but it's red, man. It's not camouflage. It's not black. It's not brown. Well, it's red, but it's urban camouflage is what I call it. And besides, at nighttime, it's like dark red. Alright, that's all I got. Show you where I live. Out here in the middle of nowhere. And there's my truck again. So, have a good one.